Hello. So students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics RD Sharma example 1 of exercise 1.1. So we are starting a journey of RD Sharma. If you follow the all questions and all videos, you can achieve good marks in board exam. So by this, we start example 1. So the question says, so that every positive even integer is of the form 2q, and every positive odd integer of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. So we need to prove this. So solution. So we will let a is equals to positive integer. So and b is equals to 2. So by Euclid's division lemma, there exist integers q and r. So there will be q and r will be one integer from Euclid's lemma. So a is equals to 2q plus r, where 0 less than equal to r less than 2. So this we have proven by the remark 3 in the last video. So we can write, if 0 is less than equal to r and less than 2, from this we can write that 0 is less than equal to r, it will be less than 1 or equal to 1. So it is also possible. So r is equals to 0 or r is equals to 1. So here r is an integer. So a is equals to 2q. Because r will be 0, then it will be 2q. If r will be 1, then a is equals to 2q plus 1. So a is equals to 2q when a is an even integer. But we know that integer can be either even or odd. So integer can be even or odd. Therefore, odd integer is of form 2q plus 1. Thank you. That's all for this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to resolve there, and if not possible, I will make the separate video for your doubt. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel and follow for the board examination. Subscribe all of you guys. Thank you.